Hello friends, today I will show you how to change Windows 10 single mode to Windows 10 professional. And this is my laptop. If you see, I am using presently Windows 10 single mode. Just go to the setting, go to update and security, click on activation, and you can see I am using presently Windows 10 Pro in single mode. If I want to change to Windows 10 Pro, just select go to the store, and here what we need a Microsoft account to log into the Microsoft store. And if you see, switch out of single mode to go to the just I want to switch out of the single mode to change my Windows from single mode to professional or home user. Just select free. Now you can check my Windows 10 Pro single mode, it changed to Windows 10 professional. It's very easy to do that without any formatting. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much, my friends.